Reusing something that could have been thrown away is such a beautiful process. In today's video, I'm going to make some DIY planters which are mostly made by products which could have been thrown away, like these terracotta pots. I made nice drainage holes on them and I decided to decorate it really beautifully in a very simple way and use it like a planter. So let's see the entire process of how I do this. It's a very simple process that I have done here and the outcome is really beautiful. I'm going to just take a thread and coil it all around the pot in a very neat and secure manner by using the glue. The first round that you make has to be secured very nicely so that it doesn't come out easily. And then you can sticking it around the terracotta pot and secure it nicely with the glue. It's a very simple method, yet the outcome is amazing. I did the same for each of the pots with different colors and different types of threads that I had left over from my macrame work. These small pots can be used to directly plant for indoor plants. You can even keep them outside in the balcony. I won't prefer to keep it on the terrace or outdoors because these threads might get spoiled, but I am specifically going to keep them indoors. And my pots are ready. Here I'm going to place few plants on them, the ones which can survive indoor. We have here money plant, jade plant, purple queen and some variegated money plant. For the second project I'm using the glass bottles which I'm going to use. This is going to be entirely a black and white art that I have done on the bottles. I've done it freehand and I'm really proud of it, but I wish I would have used some kind of a stencil, but I was pretty satisfied with the outcome. Everything that I'm using here is either used in something or was about to be thrown away. The base paint is the acrylic paint and the top white color with which I'm making the design is actually a nail art bottle which I rarely use, so I decided to use it on the bottle and make beautiful patterns on it. And then the second bottle I took and painted it white and designed it with black nail paint. This was my favorite one as it was the easiest and the outcome was really nice. I just made few branches with these colors and then I just made some impressions with these buds. And it was a very smart and a nice way of decorating the bottle. I did the same with the white bottle as well. And the outcome was really nice. I was so satisfied. And now I can use these bottles either as planters or propagation bottles. Majorly, I do need a lot of propagation bottle because I do grow plants in the water and then I plant them in the soil. I filled half of the bottles with water and then I placed the leaves that I want to propagate, like these snake plants, and then I took money plant and also purple queen. These plants grow very easily both indoors and outdoors and I propagate them very frequently. The next one was a macrame plant hanger, and I have picked the simplest of all the knots that I could find online. Take 4 of the strands and make a square knot. You can either follow along or you can check for macrame plant hangers knot online. And I got these threads from the local market, which are very easily available. You can also check in online in any of the online websites.